Two elderly men were shot dead by gunmen during an attack on Parks Road in St. Andrew on Monday evening. The dead men have been identified as 76-year-old Walton Pusey, a farmer from Parks Road, and his 62-year-old neighbour Sylvester Leslie from Cushney Road. A third man, aged 23, was shot and injured during the incident and had to seek medical attention at hospital, the police said. One of the dead men was not found until this morning. It was reported that around 6:50 p.m. Pusey and the now injured man were among other patrons at a shop having drinks when a grey underfit motor car stopped near the establishment. Police said about 4 men exited the vehicle armed with handguns. They reportedly told Pusey he was the one who they came for and instructed the other patrons to put away their phones. The men then opened gunfire on Pusey, hitting him multiple times all over his body. He died on the spot. The now injured man received a gunshot wound to his left arm. The men then returned to the vehicle and escaped toward the Bogwalk area of St. Catherine. Residents assisted a 23-year-old to hospital where he was treated. A 32-year-old man who is said to have asked for his neighbor's help to bury his brother who he allegedly killed earlier has been taken into police custody. The man whose name police have declined to release has been detained for allegedly killing 43-year-old George Jones, a farmer. Both brothers live in Johnny's Hill in Clarendon. Information reaching Observer Online is that about 6:30 p.m. on Monday, the suspect, who is believed to suffer from a mental disorder, was at home with his brother when a dispute developed. Police said during the dispute a machete was used to inflict several chop wounds to Jones' head and upper back. Around 7 on Tuesday morning, police said the suspect told his neighbor that he killed his brother and needed his assistance to dig a hole and bury his body. The police were summoned and upon entering the premises found George Jones lying face down in a pool of blood next to a fowl coop in the back of the yard. The body was clad in black jeans, pants, barefooted and shirtless, with what appeared to be chop wounds to his head and upper back, the police said. The suspect was taken into custody, the scene processed, and Jones' body transported to Maypen Hospital where death was confirmed.